Greetings students. Today we'll start with chapter 12 percentage. Okay. Where we hear the word percentage, see for example your marks also when you will calculate your marks if you score out of 100 if you are scoring 95 then you can say 95 percentage, right? Then if you are scoring like 25 marks, then 25 out of 100, then 25 percentage, like that na. So in marks we will use this one. Then maybe for example attendance, class attendance na 100% present, today class attendance is 100%, or that means out of 100 how much part. Okay, so person means out of 100, so out of 100 how much part, so that one we called it as a percentage. Now see here fractions as percentage. How we can write fractions as percentage? That means one part out of 100 equal parts. So out of 100 equal part, one part. How we can write 1 by 100 of the whole. Okay. So this one we called it as a percentage, 1 by 100. In fractions you can write it as 1 by 100. Because as we know that person means out of 100. Okay. So in the denominator 100 should be there. So if the denominator is 100, the numerator gives the equivalent percentage. That means if the denominator is 100, then the numerator, here you can see 1 by 100. If the denominator is 100, the numerator is 1, right? So 1 gives the equivalent percentage. That means 1%. Okay, 1 percentage. This one you can call it as a 1 percentage. Okay, if for example 2 by 100, then how we can say 2 percentage. The numerator gives the equivalent percentage. If 3 by 100 means then 3 percentage. Okay. So first thing is write as percentage. Okay, when we will when some fraction is given and we want to write it as a percentage, then what is the first step? See for example 3 by 10 is there. Then what you have to do? You need to multiply the top and bottom of fraction by 100. Okay. So multiply the top and bottom. Top means numerator and bottom denominator of your fraction. Okay. Both you have to multiply by 100 and simplify and write as a product of a number and 1 by 100. Okay. How you are going to write this one? Let me tell you with example. See here. For example 3 by 10. Okay. One fraction is given. You have to first step is multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by 100. Okay. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 100, because when 100 is there in denominator then only we can convert it as percentage, right? So that's why. Then this 1 by 100, right? This 1 by 100 only I have write it as separately. Okay, 1 by 100. Then remaining things 3 multiplied by 100 divided by 10. Okay. So this number, that is the second step. So simplify and write as a product of a number and 1 by 100. So 1 by 100, this 100 part is there, right? 1 by 100 you keep it separately as a product with the number. Okay, this term, all other numbers. So all other things you can simplify it. When you will cancel this 10 by this 0 with 0, it will become like 3 multiplied by 10, 30. So 30 is a number and you have to multiply with this 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 only we can write it as percentage, because percentage means out of 100, right? So 1 by 100 I can write it as percentage. So 30 percentage is the answer. Okay. So this is the first type, write as percentage. When the fraction is given and if you want to write it in percentage, you have to do first of all multiply the numerator and denominator by 100, and this 1 by 100 you keep it separately in the multiplication form, product form, and remaining all the term, all the numbers you can simplify it and finding a number. Then this 1 by 100 you can write it as percentage. Okay, so 30 percentage. This is actually just the example. Then percentage as fraction. If percentage is given and you have to convert into fraction, see what you have to do. To change the percentage to fraction, write the percentage on top and 100 at the bottom. Same thing if I am telling 30 percentage. Okay. So 30 percentage. Here in percentage it is given and you have to convert into fraction. How you will do that? See, if 30 percentage is there, then just write the percentage on the top. How much percentage? 30 percentage, right? So 30 on the top and then 100 at the bottom. Okay, so put 100 at the denominator. 30 by 100. Okay, so it will become 3 by 10. 3 by 10. In fraction you can write 3 by 10. Otherwise, if for example 5 percentage, so put the percentage, this number in the top, and then divided by, in the bottom you have to put 100. This is just simply you have to convert the percentage into fraction. Okay. Then you can see here in the third type, decimal fractions as percentage. Decimal fraction means, as you know, that in decimal point, like for example 2.5, okay, 2.53. If it is like that, this is one of the decimal fraction, right, 2.53, you have to convert into percentage. What you have to do, shift the point 2 places to the right and put percentage. Okay, because you are going to convert this decimal as a percentage, right? So what you have to do, you need to shift the decimal point 2 places. Percentage means 100, so 100 में 2 zeros are there, so 2 denominators are, sorry, 2 zeros are there. Okay, so you have to shift 2 decimal places to the right, so it will become 253 percentage. Then you have to put percentage. Okay, so 253 percentage. Okay, then here you can see percentage as decimal fraction. If percentage is given and you have to convert into decimal fraction, same thing, you can take this one, 253 percentage is there. So if 253 percentage is there and you have to convert into decimal fraction. Okay, so how you will convert this? So just shift the point 2 places to the left, okay, and drop percentage. Drop percentage means you have to remove the percentage, okay, because we are converting into decimal fraction. So it will become 2 point, see, shift the decimal 2 places to the left, right, 1 2. So before 5 you have to put the decimal point and you need to drop the percentage symbol, so 2.53. okay, then you can see here percentage of a number. See, next one is percentage of a number. To find a percentage of a number, write percentage as a fraction and multiply it by the number. If for example 8% is there, okay, and 8% of 100, if you want to find the percentage of a number, then what we have to do, 8 by 100 multiply by 100, okay, that means the 8. So percentage of a, how you will find the percentage of a number? First of all, the percentage as a fraction you have to write and you have to multiply it by the number, okay, so 100. So when you will cancel this, you will get 8. Okay students, so the remaining exercise will start in the next class. Okay.